In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a watermark in Xodo. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Pages tab up top, and here where it says Watermark, you want to click on it and click on Add. Now, from here, you can see, of course, you can create new profiles if you want to, and then you can change the appearance, for example, where you want the watermark to appear, stuff like that. But what I would recommend is that the first thing you do is actually set your watermark, so we can then go ahead and preview it in real time. So here, I'm going to go between text and image, so we can select if you want text or an image to be as the watermark. I'm going to keep it as text, but if you select image, you could go ahead and just upload the image in here and then set its scale. I'm going to do text here. I'm going to leave it as watermark. Of course, you could do whatever you want here and it's going to appear on the screen. You can select the font as well. I'm going to do just Times Roman over here, and I'm going to go and make this one, let's just make it a bit bigger over here at 80 like that. And I'm also going to change the color to black like this, and I'm also going to make it bold, and I'm going to make it italic as well. Okay, of course, you can select different formatting over here as well. It's completely up to you. And then you can go and insert like dates, page numbers, Bates numbers, and other things. That's completely up to you. If you want to do that, you can feel free to do it. It's going to look like this over here, and you'll be able to basically put that in here like that. There we go. If you want to, you can play around. I'm just going to ignore this right now. Now, after this, where you can actually see how this looks like, you can then select if you want it on all pages or just on a page range, or maybe like even pages, odd pages, last page only, etc. And then up here you have the appearance. You can set your transparency to whatever you want it to be. You can set the rotation of your current watermark. You can set like the where it's located on your screen like that. Pretty much everything is editable over here. And then when you're ready, click on the apply button. And there we go. As you can see, our watermark is now added to our document. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.